What drives industrial competitiveness today? How can countries build resilient, sustainable, and innovative economies in a rapidly changing world? Around the world, governments are facing urgent questions about how to foster innovation, support industry, and manage technological transformation. Cambridge Industrial Innovation Policy exists to help answer those questions, helping policymakers through training that brings evidence, experience, and collaboration together.
Many countries are trying to build industrial foundations, but also they're trying to make sure that their investments in science and technology actually produce a tangible benefit to society. How do we make sure that great investments and new ideas that we generate in the science base have an impact in our societies, whether to tackle environmental challenges or to create well-paid jobs? Many countries and the civil service are not always prepared with the skills that are required to develop effective innovation policies. So what we're trying to do is to make sure that the investments that the countries are doing in this area are backed up with solid reasoning, with good tools and frameworks, and good understanding of the international practice.
One of the things the team does exceptionally well is that it illustrates the concepts, the frameworks, the tools with international examples. That kind of benchmarking allows us to both give stimulating examples that can be inspirational, but it also gives us an insight into what our competitors are doing.
So one of my key takeaways from this course would be that there isn't a one-size-fits-all approach to industrial strategy policy. I think that was really evident from the different examples we looked at, be it what works in the US, what works in China, what works in Japan, and what will work in the UK.
And the fact that the information is presented in a really clear, logical way helps me to understand how I can apply it to my day-to-day, and also helps to create like a universal language around what we mean by industrial innovation, which should be really useful for presenting to government, but also for government in understanding us.
Our courses are designed for impact, so it's really important to understand the challenges that policymakers have. And we use tools and frameworks that they can use in the day-to-day to think about the issues they face, but also to design policies in the future.
We are based at the University of Cambridge, and that means that we have access to the latest knowledge around industrial innovation policy. We work together with researchers at the Institute for Manufacturing, but also across the university. We have a delivery team that combines both engineers and economists. We have worked in the UK, we have worked in Europe, but we also have worked in Southeast Asia, in Latin America, and we have also colleagues that have a significant experience and knowledge on China.
Being in Cambridge has been very important for this process because it combines the academic and the research capabilities with the policy team here. And again, it's making that link between policy and research, innovation industry that really allows you to take what we've learned and turn it into practical jobs, growth, economy.
The team are experienced not only in how policy is made in different contexts, in different countries, but they know how factories work and how industry works. And that's how they get a blend that is practical as well as theoretically underpinned.
If you're designing an industrial policy without necessarily understanding the underpinning innovations and the economic benefit that innovation delivers to the industrial ecosystem, then you're missing a big aspect of it.
We have a range of courses here at Cambridge Industrial Innovation Policy, from introductory courses to science, technology, and innovation, to more detailed courses on designing effective industrial strategies. Our goal is to bring world-class innovation policy learning wherever our clients are. We deliver these in person, online, and through self-paced modules.
I'm really looking forward to going back and sharing with the team the insights I've learned from today and exploring with the team how we can make sure when we're designing innovation policy, we're really considering the whole system.
It's not just about academic frameworks and theories, but it's about tools and frameworks that can be implemented in day-to-day policy practice.